go to www.tinandkayla.com. First, open the Pattern menu, then click Pixel Pattern. Here you can explore a wide variety of different designs. Choose the design you like and save it. Now it's time to bring the design into SolidWorks. Here you can choose the unit, system you want to work with. Select the view you want to design in from here. Select the rectangle tool from the sketch menu. Click to place the first corner, drag the mouse, and click again to finish the rectangle. First, open the sketch menu and choose Smart Dimension to control the rectangle's size. Select the sketch, then click Extruded Boss Base from the Features menu. Adjust the extrusion height to match the size and thickness you want. Use Command Search to find and add sketch picture. After finding it, just drag it and place it wherever you want. First, select the top face of the part, then click Sketch. Next, click Sketch Picture to continue. Add the website image into Sketch Picture. Adjust the image size to match the part you've drawn. Select the top view again, then use the Rectangle Sketch tool. Starting from the corner of the part, draw a square based on the image pixels. Use the Dimension tool to set the size to your desired value. Use the Linear Pattern tool to repeat the square evenly across the surface based on the pixel layout. Select the drawn pattern and extrude it to the desired thickness. In the feature tree, expand the sketch that contains the image. Right-click on Sketch Picture and select Show. Then enable Wireframe View to clearly see the inside of the part. Start by selecting the top view of the part, and then switch to sketch mode. Now select pixels of the same color, one by one while holding the Shift key. After selecting the pixels, use the Convert Entities tool to generate the sketch. At this stage, we extrude the extracted sketch and set the height to a maximum of 0.2 millimeters to enable height-based coloring in Bamboo Studio. Repeat the same process for the remaining colors, increasing the extrusion height by 0.2 millimeters each time. Now save the file in STL format so it can be imported into Bamboo Studio. Import the STL file you saved into Bamboo Studio. Now use the Lay on Face command to automatically place the part flat on the build plate. Now open the Color Painting tool to assign colors based on height. Use the Color Painting tool in Height Range mode to assign colors based on the extrusion height. Right-click on the part, go to Add Part, and select Cylinder. Then scale the cylinder to the desired size for the keychain hole. Move the cylinder to the desired position using the Move tool. Now the model is ready to be sent to the printer.